Carbon-free buildings rely on the HVAC system to control the ventilation, filtration, and comfort of the indoor environment. Without routine maintenance, these systems degrade, creating risks to air quality, energy efficiency, and occupant well-being. HVAC assessments are a cost-effective tool to build data-driven plans that prioritize cleaning, restoration, and replacements for equipment. The physical, operational, and environmental conditions of the system components are evaluated through specialized testing protocols. Coils are tested for airflow obstructions and particulate buildup. Drain pans are assessed for biological contamination like bacteria, corrosion, clogs, and leaks. Blowers are evaluated for corrosion, debris, and energy efficiency, while fiberglass insulation is checked for material breakdown and sampled for microbial concerns, such as mold. The filters as well as the supply and return plenums are inspected for cleanliness and structural integrity. Finally, the operational fitness of the remaining component parts, like dampers, are appraised. After the data and samples are collected, a comprehensive report is generated by our building sciences and environmental lab teams. You will now have the crucial data you need to prioritize improvements, save on both capital and operational expenditures, and minimize disruptions to your facility while ensuring occupant safety and energy efficiency.